welcome back to a look at your weather. Like I said, today we did actually reach up to about 92 today. So that's, like I said, this is kind of going to be the highest we'll kind of see here for the next few days, as we are going to have some storms going through. We do not have any recorded precip, but it does look like there are showers that have been going through, and will be kind of maybe continuing going through the rest of the night. So we'll keep an eye on that as we are kind of tracking through the night. Looking at those forecasted lows, looks like it's going to get lower tonight, getting a low of 72 this evening. So these low temperatures are going to help kind of that dew point, and those feel like temperatures get a bit lower this weekend and not feel as humid as we kind of track through these storms. Looking at those highs tomorrow, only getting up to about 87, even 86 up in Sanford and 88 in Columbia. So really across the board, these temperatures are going to be a little bit lower than those normal temperatures that we're seeing this time of year, with these storms that are kind of be consistent here for up to the next 4 days. And when we look at this is kind of a little bit of a look at that radar. So we do have lines of storms that are tracking in. This cold front is really what's pushing a lot of these storms through. They're bringing in that humidity. They're trying to kick out that humidity actually. And behind this cold front is going to be a lot of the cooler weather that we'll be seeing as these storms are kind of going through. This cold front should kind of track off, and it actually might become stationary in these southern states as we kind of see the end of the weekend come along, which is going to allow those cooler temperatures to kind of come through. So we'll keep an eye on those. But these storms that are tracking through and kind of coming through the area right now do contain some lightning and some thunder, so do be aware as those kind of are coming through, and maybe some heavier rain that's going to come through and maybe give us up to an inch in totals as we kind of run through the night. So looking at this future radar, it does look like these storms are going to kind of be just spotty over the Hattiesburg area. So really overnight we might see a little more accumulation than after this line that is tracking through, but after that we'll see kind of maybe drier until we move into the more of those evening hours tomorrow. So we'll kind of keep an eye on those storms as we kind of track through tomorrow. Looking at these rain totals, these are going to be until Sunday night. So in the Hattiesburg area, it looks like about 1.25 inches is what the kind of totals are seeing, and then maybe even seeing some rain on Monday and Tuesday, which might get us up to about 2 inches of rain. So we'll keep an eye on those as storms are starting now and begin to be continuing for the next couple of days. Looking at the next 3 days, like I said, that rain is really going to be consistent for the next 3 days. There's going to be a lot of heavy cloud cover as we look at these days kind of come by. Might see spots of sun on Monday, but really for the most part, it's just going to be those kind of bigger clouds that come through. Might be able to create some thunder and lightning, but for the most part, we might be just getting some rain that totaling up to about 2 inches of that rain, but then hopefully we'll get some sun and nicer weather later in the next week.
Yeah, this is a lot of chances, and they're pretty high.
Yes. Yep. It's a lot of that. We've had so much humidity lately. This finally is just blowing
Picking it up, and doesn't take much to create a shower then.
Yes. Yes.
All right.
Hopefully break.
Yeah, thank you.